So this is the Doris Miller swimming pool here in Newport News. We've got a bunch of lifeguards out here making sure everybody's safe. We've got a whole bunch of Newport News residents down here enjoying themselves, staying cool and having a really good time. This is for residents of Newport News. And you've got to register at the front desk. We've got people up there that get your information, verify your address, and then you get a pool pass. Then you can get in for free all summer, but you do have to register and show that you're a resident. Here at Doris Miller, there's going to be a minimum of 4 lifeguards whenever we've got people swimming so that they can take up positions around the pool. And then we've also got somebody who's responsible for responding to first aid situations. So all of them work together as a team. It's often called a red ball drill, but we didn't have a red ball, so we used a football. The idea though is that if a pool manager throws the ball into the water, the lifeguard staff are required to treat that ball as if it was an actual drowning victim and respond accordingly so that we can make sure that they get a chance to practice, that they know exactly how they're supposed to respond, and how all the different people on the team have a different role to play and how they all work together. If you come down here to Doris Miller, you might notice that we actually have City of Newport News sheriff's deputies at the front desk who are helping with security at this facility. The sheriff's deputies, will verify that everything is going the way it's supposed to. If there's any incidents, they're here on site, ready to help out. The lifeguards, a lot of times, are blowing their whistle telling the kids not to run on the pool deck. But if there was something that was a little bit more serious, we've got the security here already. At this facility, we've got a wonderful pool. It includes a water slide. Over here, there is a spray pad. It's got lots of fountains. The kids can run around in the fountains. There's locker rooms, bathroom facilities in the locker rooms. We don't have concessions on site, but people can bring in food and drinks. Oftentimes, several people will come together in a big group. Some other rules that we have for this facility: no glass bottles, won't allow alcoholic beverages or any intoxicated people. We don't have any kind of inflatable toys like inner tubes or inflatable rafts that people might think, oh, this would be great to lay on the inner tube in the swimming pool. We won't allow people to bring those in, but we do have life jackets that the patrons can use anytime they want. If they're not sure how to put the life jackets on properly, our staff can help make sure that they get it on securely. Everybody who lives in Newport News should definitely come down here and see the Doris Miller swimming pool. It's a beautiful facility. Please come down and see how great it is.